Wazobia FM with this. And say every year we they get a partnership with our Big Brother people, the Big Brother Titans Evictee. They inside the building with us. And of course, you get to follow up waiting to happen. I know say so many things that happen around, but plenty of fun they follow them also. So you go to get them every other week as they come up from the house. Baby girl.
Hi, how y'all doing?
Welcome.
Thank you very much.
So the camera inside our house no do you justice at all.
Still popping.
You're still popping.
Still go dey pop.
You know, I like your level of confidence. We start from there. You think say na wetin make so many people mention your name? You think say na your confidence?
Be like, cause as I come now, everybody don't press. Everybody was pressed. But it's a game. Me, I mention person name too, so it doesn't matter.
Yes, you mention person name, but this one no be say everybody come mention just
my name.
wait your day anyway. You know, fly come.
He's back in ASA.
They need to the fly they come as we did because we also they do there. So maybe they fly they come. Yes. All right. So now they mention your name and then you tell me you really they shocked when they call you.
Yeah.
You been expect them.
The thing is, I had a gut feeling. I feel them for my belly. That first time when they pay me with you, I just know say you go soon.
Why? Tell me why. Because you be like say you've been for CMC. If they've been give you any opportunity for change that pair between you and so tell me what thing you see will make you believe.
It's just first of all, people personality they're different, and two of us come inside the house together after everybody don't already come inside house, and they come pair us together. We were the only unfortunate pair.
Oh,
you get. We came into the house on Thursday and they just paired us together. So this one way we're trying to build small relevance, trying to our best, and then compare us together. And he's a different personality. I'm a different personality. I think probably if we had time, we would have made it work. We were trying to make it work at the tail end. He was getting like, oh, okay, this could work. But I just came and found out that everybody put my name up for eviction. I'm like, okay.
Oh, who you for like choose aside Theo? If they give you that opportunity,
anybody else.
Anybody else but Theo.
Anybody. I mean, not but Theo right now. Because I think Theo needs a lot of work because of how his spirits were down. Probably I would have been the one to put his spirits up. You're doing well. It's okay. Don't worry about this.
What's him be in fear?
I don't know. I have no idea.
But now your partner, I suppose, you just ask him some questions.
I've been asking him.
You've been trying.
Just like, I've been asking him. Just you say no one shit, you no one this.
You just go 4-person hand like that.
Yeah.
Because when they call Sandra, because when you be there come inside the house, so much energy follow you enter, and you've been talking. But now another thing where make I ask you, you think say you been unleash yourself so fast?
That was the idea, because I no come inside on Sunday. That's what I told myself. Because if I come inside on Sunday, I won't be one just do one by one. But as they puts me in after 4 days, I say,
You rush him.
Rush him. Your best foot forward. Just start. No need to start.
It can't be like saying that best foot forward. Now it can put you for trouble.
No, I don't think so.
You don't think so? Introducing Mmeli. Yes.
He said introducing.
Yes, I can't introduce him here because even like I just they use one corner eye they look. I say, but me I get other plans where I say, baby girl, no, don't do this. Tell me, what be the attraction with me? What be that thing where they happen between you and Mmeli? This one where we
were just we didn't define anything. Me, I'm not a.
But you like him.
Yeah,
I didn't like you.
Yeah, from what I'm hearing now. Say in the regret or whatever that he's feeling, I don't know, but he was simple. I think I like simple guys, like someone that will just come out with sweatpants, one chain, beanie, not too much. They do much.
But if he really like you and you like him, now say they no really no define him at first, because for Nelissa to come inside
for that house, you not fit take anybody for their word. Person feel like you today, tomorrow. You don't do kurukere waka.
Wetin happen? Spirit dey the house.
Is there? Spirit is roaming. It's roaming. If you breathe them, it don't go. So I was just. If you're fine, cool with me today, no problem. Tomorrow, okay, no problem. Next tomorrow, if you don't, okay, go and do your thing.
Tell me exactly how you feel when you see him and Nelissa they do for that washing machine side.
I wasn't.
You sure?
I did very
Sandra,
sure.
I believe you. I believe that you be a very blunt person. You guys tell me.
No.
Nelissa, affect you.
Disrespect. No,
yeah, now this hey, now they talk.
It was disrespectful, but then again, I wing him because me and this guy, we are not.
I like that word. You wing him.
Yes, I wing him. We are not dating. We don't even talk like that.
And not be competition thing with the dude here.
If you still say that waiting the find, no problem. Go find and finish. But if you don't find and finish, you go still come back.
Now, make we talk. What's be her name? Waka say she bring for 1 million here.
Olive.
Yes. Wetin be that thing? Wetin trigger? I know wetin trigger, but I want to hear from you because if you they think another side, you they think another side. Tell me exactly. Paint the whole scenario for me. Wetin be the issue?
That day I was just angry. That pairing pissed me off.
So we see him.
I was trying to get my mind, and if we are not in Big Brother's house, I for just come out, just go somewhere, just go day my day, then come back when I don't day all right. But in that house, I was just even Jenny came to try to talk to me. I'm like, she see as I did, she just leave me, and that too come and she just leave me. So I think in the bathroom, Oliver is a funny girl. She laughs at every serious situation ever, and I was really angry that day. So when Justin said Oliver is going to come here and laugh now, me as her friend,
you be no,
I gave her the courtesy because I told her, babe, you're my friend. I beg, no can't laugh here. Probably the tone I said it was not toning enough, and then she just I thought she would say, okay, so what happened? I beg,
put me through, clear me first.
But this one she just. As she spark me, if it spark with me, no matter how much friendship we get, if it spark like that with me, they expect me I calm down. No, so as she spark me, I spark back. But we are cool now,
You sure so not cool now because as she come up for us, you guys
well,
say me I don't like to they talk anyhow.
Well, we cool on Friday.
What baby girl, you on fire, man? Now why are the tests? I know you're not supposed to come out, Jerry. now make we also talk. You think say Nigerians no vote enough? You think so? Really, you gotta speak your mind. You think so? Are we distracted?
Theo.
Oh, okay. I got you.
I mean, probably me or Nigerians also not vote enough because not be everybody will like you, but Theo.
I know.
It was just not going to.
Generally, you get people where we say you say in the highlight for the guys and the girls where say this person like cool person, I for like bond with this person more if I get time. Who be these people and why? What do you see in them?
There's Yvonne, there's Blue Ava, obviously. There's, the whole gang. I understand that they put me off for eviction, but I don't know bad blood. Because we related well. In as much as we relate well. We are girls, we'll still talk about ourselves in the corner. So Jenny O, Nana, Olivia, that whole gang. And then Tati was nice. Ipeleng was also nice to me. And then there's Luke, which is like our godfather. There's Juicy J. There's Justin, who is so sweet. Oh my God.
Okay. I like as they mention them like this now. So we see. Now, I don't know. We continue to the Dodge Mmeli. You know me, Sam?
If you say so.
If I say
no,
so.
I do actually, but it is what it is, yeah.
You do.
He should have fun. I pray he stays to the end because he's intelligent.
Okay, so any when in come out, we go get any conversation. You go like to continue. I don't want call relationship. I would like to continue conversation with him.
If make we wait till he come out first.
Make we wait. Okay. So for the South Africans and the Nigerians, tell me where you think say this thing they tilt to. Who you think say deserve to actually be a winner? Yes.
The vision is so blurry.
It is.
They are now too much, and now the pair is now making you confused because there's a strong pair and there's one
trio beside.
Yeah. There's a it's not really balanced. Probably when they weed out, when they thin the herd a little bit, probably 2 Sundays after, Biggie should send 6 couples out. Then we can now be able to see. What and what. But normally I be Ninja babe. I go like me Ninja person. We now. Feel me? Yeah.
Okay. Now, I could talk about where you they go now with the brand, where you don't become.
Say before I even enter Big Brother, they do some small hustle outside. So I do host red carpets, events, movie premieres, and at the act 2, I don't try acts like 1 or 2 things, there and there.
Okay.
I'll just follow that up. And I'm an ex-beauty queen. I just the things say maybe probably I'll get my own beauty pageants so that I can give girls an opportunity to actually come and live your dream because someone did it for me. And then I have 3 businesses. Fit Me by Sandra, that's a clothesline. I've had that baby for 5 years now.
Private
label, that's 2 years. and Lux Cosmetics, which is I just released it like on my birthday, 28th May.
Okay.
So I go do one big opening. We go shake Lagos, collect one more. When I go walk in, enter Fit by Sandra private label and Lux Cosmetics. Then I think I will just branch out and go have branches in Abuja and Dubai. And I'm also looking at being on a reality television and having my own reality television. So it's a lot.
Very important for somebody where her level of confidence they up there. So we go like see you there where you go they speak your truth and everything. It gets something where you supposed showcase, where you really want show, where you know show, where time no permit you. Sandra, please tell me.
That would have been I think you plenty.
You dey leave me, they speak pidgin. Somebody say
acting skills. I dey act normally. I dey act. I dey cook. They beg big brother, give me leave. Make I just do a function for this.
You be there cook. Now you play. What's be her name? Now you play go wait. Who be the person where they? I don't forget her name. Jenny, where not agree come out for kitchen.
She said her mama she get restaurant.
And that place now, mama restaurant be that. I dey wait for her.
Maybe she did maybe the other side she dey carry seafront.
When somebody say Sandra, what do you think about Yemi?
Yemi is my friend. We've known ourselves for a long time.
Yes,
so.
You bring me there because thank you because you be so why if una don't know yourself before you enter that house, why you come in and you decide to not approach to like why Wetin
be
happen?
that girl, right?
Yes,
because I can't see say cause herself not even. She was not. I can't see how the dynamic of the house they like say try. I don't like put myself inside the. I be too my ego too big. I don't go like they run around after boy. Where go come this one come kiss come this. I know be no you no go carry me do all those kinds.
But why him me come they do like say no know you from anywhere?
Now in game be that me I been telling
because it be one play.
Yeah, I tell her say inside here. As I meet her, I tell her say inside here. Since I don't see. Do your thing, flex. Now, I tell them, I say flex.
Wetin be the relationship before I enter the house?
We're friends.
Sandra, no they hide things from me now. No more go break. Sandra, take a deep breath. We get 3 more minutes to talk. And I don't interested in this relationship. The name now still Smith, and I dey here with Sandra all the way from the BBL. Okay, BB Titans. Okay, Lagos. So Sandra.
We were close.
How?
We were friends. We used to create content together all around this Lagos, Yeah, we used to create content together.
Which kind of content on they create?
Content creating, brand influencing, videos.
You ain't hear me?
Yeah.
Yes, I don't see one.
Yeah, and we are friends. We are still friends.
Sandra, I know they claim me well now. I don't understand that friend. Okay. Una be the date.
No, we never
Sandra, you
dated.
sure? I've been probably say me gonna cover them up.
No, we never dated. I'm not going to claim what is not mine.
Okay. So now they create contents together.
Yeah.
But una bond well.
Yeah, we actually did bond well. We bond well. We did talk about all this how we go there. We did hustle together.
Okay.
You understand this whole big. Now 2 of us they hustle and we did on phone. They after you get any this thing. I'm like no, you get so.
I need no for one day give like any kind of move like say I do this girl something.
No, I'm bad to me now. But I'm the G. I'm maybe the maybe the G. We go tell you say oh yeah go carry your babes for you won't carry this girl yeah carry her.
I feel you. So now why you enter house come palm they
look. I just as I see them they play because I know I'm
you notice them.
As I see them like that I tell her say okay do your thing. I mean I no go come after you like that. So, you
really hold your side where you hold your side nice. But I hope say anyway when it come I go like hear from also because to me already I don't gauge it be like say now word mapping one day when it come here we go talk on top that one. Thank you say you clear up between you and Yemi because I hear some cha things but I just want to clear them from you. But you got a boyfriend, Sandra?
No, I don't got a boyfriend.
The baby singer. Gosh.
I could have it situationships, business ships,
entrepreneurship,
profit ship.
No, Sandra. Mention the ships where you there inside now.
There's some business ship, friendship, situationship, killing ship, profit ship, but you
hear no yummy ship. You know any yummy ship for there. Yeah, well done, baby girl. Thank you. And she's so beautiful. You need to see. Say I'm Miss Sword now. And I would do it. You go to do any. Matthew not happen to you. But you will love you.
Amen.
Chook Mouth. Wazobia. 95.1 Wazobia.